Alright, it's Brian Farrell, and I am back once again showing you the passive income stream, showing you how I make that money each and every day on autopilot without needing to recruit anybody, because we're after that passive money that just works for us. Make that money work for us. Now, gotta tell you, like I always tell you on each and every one of my videos, this is not financial advice. I am not telling you what to do with your money. I am simply showing you some strategies and some techniques that I've been doing with my money, and maybe you want to do the same thing for yourself. Now, I am showing you everything online that is a risk, so take that risk, get your own precautions, do not spend more you can afford to lose. And now, with the disclaimer out of the way, let's get on to today's content. So, yesterday I made a video and showed you some updates to the program TronLine. Here's the program right here, and I showed you guys yesterday that the program went ahead and updated itself to provide automatic withdrawals. And essentially what that was is the withdrawals would be made as soon as you earned at least 200 Tron in your wallet, it would be automatically sent out to your wallet for you. You didn't have to go into the site to make the withdrawals. And I showed that on this video right here. Well, you guys took my notice. You jumped in there, took some action. I appreciate that. And you went and crashed the site again. Thank you very much. So, TronLine has now gone ahead and made another update to try to, work with this high flow of traffic that's coming in, and want to make some updates so that the site can continue to perform as smoothly as it can for as long as it can. So let me first go over to the Telegram group. I'll show you the updates, and then we'll run through actually doing a withdrawal tonight together live so you can see how it works. Okay, so come over here to the Telegram group for TronLine, and you will see that here we are on the TronLine official page. Right, so this is the latest updates. Okay, they're telling us we're going to resume mail payouts shortly. Please wait for the updates. They say that they have paid out 16 million Tron in the last 25 days, which is phenomenal. That is great. And then here's our latest updates. We'll start our main withdrawal shortly and kindly request the following steps. Once you take a withdrawal, you are eligible to withdraw only after 3 hours. So they're setting a 3-hour limit, okay? You have to wait 3 hours before you can withdraw. Some websites or some platforms set up a 24-hour hold before you can do withdrawals. Some have no time frame hold at all. You can just withdraw as much as you want. But TronLine here has gone with a 3-hour time frame, and I think that's a good thing because they're trying to get you guys to not grab your money so quickly. Let it stay just a little bit longer so the server can handle the flow of traffic. Alright, so please avoid continuous visits to the site in the span of 3 hours. Your Trons are accumulating, and only you will only be able to access to withdraw it since you hold the wallet. Okay, we have a live server which handles the huge database, which pays out to 57 people on joining, and each withdrawal plus website visit and then the sign up. So please avoid continuous visits to the site. Server expansion costs very high to us, which we have to share from our income. So we have a 100% payout plan. So please understand the issue and maintain social distancing on the site. Log in once in 3 hours and withdraw your Tron. Perfect. Get your Tron. And then here's the latest update after that. We are a very good run with the auto withdrawal after high-end server upgradation. But accidentally, withdrawal fee was not charged, and you all were getting full amount to your wallet. To compensate the heavy cost of servers and to cover the withdrawal charges since yesterday's management, we will be now applying a 10% withdrawal charge till further notice. By the meantime, we will also start a few promotions for the top performers who contribute maximum directs and team business. The minimum withdrawal will be 150 Tron, and the maximum will be 3,000 Tron. Okay, we're focusing here. 3,000 Tron is the new maximum, okay, per day. Once you take a withdrawal, you have to wait 3 hours to get your next withdrawal, okay? We at TronLine is doing business our best to build a strong network of 1 million users by January 2022. Withdrawal charges are calculated on the total Tron withdrawn. It is not calculated on the amount you receive in your wallet. Okay, so now we know the rules, okay? every 3 hours you can come in here and get your Tron. Okay, the maximum is 3,000 Tron. The minimum is 150 Tron. Okay, there is a 10% withdrawal fee that's taking off of the maximum that you're withdrawing. Okay, so if you're withdrawing 3,000 Tron, 10% of that is going to be 300 Tron. They're going to keep as the fee. That is totally fine by me because it's going to help the platform maintain its stability, so we can stay here earning Tron much longer. All right, now let's get over to TronLine and let's see it work in action. All right, so we're gonna go to the login website. We're gonna go ahead and log in. I've already got my wallet logged in here. I'll show you guys that. Okay, log into the wallet. Good. All right, back to the main page. Perfect. All right, so got the wallet ready to go. All right, we see we got 8,590 in the wallet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this withdrawal. So we'll go ahead and we'll log in to TronLine. Login successful, as you saw. All right, now keeping in rules with the upgrades we have just read about. You see here that everything was good. All right, site loaded up just great. We now have 3,264 Tron available. All right, and as you put in this amount, 3,264 Tron, it will go ahead and split it in half. Half is going to get reinvested back into the platform to make sure this Tron stays in there for the long term, and half goes out to your wallet. Now remember, there is a 10% fee on the total amount you withdraw, and the maximum is 3,000. So if you do not follow these rules, if you try to go ahead and withdraw 3,264, here's what's going to happen. Okay, you get your updates right up here at the top, right up here, whenever you make a withdrawal on the platform. So let's go ahead and try to get out this full 3,264. Press submit. Oh, maximum is 3,000 TX allowed. Okay, see, that's the rule. You can only get 3,000 at a time. So let's go ahead and let's drop this down to 3,000. Now that's going to put a 1,500 to reinvest, 1,500 to go back into the wallet, 50-50 split. But remember, we're taking out a 10% fee from the total amount being withdrawn. 10% of 3,000 is going to be 300. That means my wallet should get 1,500 minus 300 Tron. I should get 1,200 Tron in the wallet. Let's go ahead and do the withdrawal. Submit. Refreshing. Withdrawal request made successfully. Right, perfect. I still got the 1,080 left over here. I'm sorry, that was the community levels. Here's the available to withdraw. Just got the 264 left here that I was not able to pull out because of the limit I talked about. And I said it should be 1,200 to hit the wallet, correct? So let's go ahead and let's look here. Office, withdrawal history. And we'll go check out the withdrawal history. All right, so here's the withdrawal history. 1,200 came out. 1,200 came out yesterday. 1,200 is coming out just now. We just made this withdrawal right now. At 1,200 is the 1,500 minus the 300 Tron fee. Let's go to the wallet and let's check for our update. And boom, get in, update 1,200. There it is. All right, so that's it. That is what I want to show you guys. A live withdrawal. TronLine is still paying out. It does go ahead and have some new upgrades in place to help the contract stay longer. You can only withdraw up to 3,000 Tron per every 3 hours. And please only visit the site every 3 hours. I know it's super exciting to see this Tron go up. You know, I know it. It's super exciting. But please, let's go ahead and only visit the site every 3 hours because you are earning each time someone comes into the contract. You're also earning when someone makes a withdrawal and which makes them reinvest in the contract. And the purpose of this is that you can actually earn from people above and below you. Let's go back to the main panel. And we see here now that I came in with 1,000 Tron back on my first deposit back 2 weeks ago. Since then, I have not put any more money in. I've just simply been withdrawing and been doing automatic reinvestment for me. And I've had some referrals come in behind me, and because of that, it's went ahead each time, made my investment amount increase, and now I'm at the 10,000 Tron investment level. Only 1,000 Tron out of my pocket, 10,000 level now. Here is my level here. This is my number, and this I can now earn from the 20 people above me. Boom. And I can also scroll, and I can also now earn from the 20 people below me. Oh, let me take that back. Down to 30 people below me. Okay, so that's your benefits. Just coming into the program, put your money in, let your money work for you, let TronLine put you in the line, and go ahead and start earning Tron passively. You do not have to share this with anybody to earn, but if you do share, then of course you're going to get more benefits, and let me show you those benefits really quickly before we go ahead and wrap up this video. If you go over here to Office and to Partners, you will see your current partners, and you'll see how many partners you have, plus you will see the actual breakdown of the earnings for referrals. Let's go ahead and let this load up. All right. Thank you everybody who has come in and decided to take advantage of getting Tron automatically, passively, and I appreciate your support through my channel as well, or any other way that you have supported me on my passive journey. Alright, so here is our partners here. Okay, down below you'll see your sponsoring partner team investment. So when you recruit, or when you invite someone and they join using your link, you are going to earn 20% of their investment on the first level. If they bring someone in, that would be your second level. You will earn 10% on that level. On the third level, you're going to earn 3%. On the fourth level, 3% again. And then it looks like it's down to 10% on the fifth level, 6 and the 7th down below. All right, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want your referral link, you'll see it copied right here. You can grab your referral link and click this button. Just go ahead and click that button, and it gets copied. And you can go ahead and share that with your friends. This is the link I will go ahead and put below this video. You'll see it in the comments and in the description. Sometimes when the link's in the description, YouTube will cut it off. That link may not work fully because you want to copy the full link. So check out the comments. I will have the link pinned as the first comment below this video. Go ahead and copy that, paste it into the browser of your KLEVER wallet, or paste it into the browser of your TronLink wallet, and you can go ahead and get started with a minimum of 100 Tron. Never spend more than you can afford to lose. So that's my quick update. Just want to show you how this is all working out. It's working great, and I think we can just really share this with with each other and make that Tron work for us. Alright, so this is Brian Farrell signing out. Once again, hit that subscribe button so you get added to my YouTube channel. Also, go ahead and hit the bell icon to get notified each time I make a video. And I come online and show you guys more ways to make that money online and make the passive income work for you. Alright, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this program. Also, go ahead and hit the like button as well. I appreciate everyone through the support you've given me. And if you have anything that you want to share with me, you think it's better than this, I'll take a look. But check out my other videos. I'll show you other things that work for you automatically without having to recruit anyone, and it'll pass the stream, so we can just make that money work for us over and over and over again. All right, Brian Farrell signing out. This is TronLine 2021. Let's get that money. Peace.